Welcome to Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is Melissa and Bailey. Yeah, he's already bored. This is Christmas in July. Every Tuesday at 6 p.m., we're going to be doing tablescapes to help you decide what kind of Christmas decor you're going to do this year for Christmas. Also, we're going to be doing a tablescape on Saturday the 11th at 6 p.m. So you will be entertained with 5 beautiful Christmas tables to give you ideas for how do we want to decorate this year. I'm not even sure how I'm going to decorate this year. Am I going to do pink gingerbread? I don't know. Or am I going to do something else? So maybe by the end of this, we'll decide what our Christmas decor will look like for this year. Okay, here is our table. I'm calling it gold and burgundy woodland themed. First, we're starting out with this. And yes, it's a paper plate. But isn't it pretty? And this is plate from At Home. Charger plate was Hobby Lobby. Amazon for the napkins, table runner, and tablecloth. And silverware. At Home for the wine glass. At Home for the candles. And this beautiful deer is At Home. Michael's for this little fox. The berries, and Amazon for the magnolias. Michael's also for our fun little squirrel. And Amazon for our napkin rings. Aren't they fun?